It was an honour to be approached by Walden Art last year to create one of the first of 3 sculptures, which was amazing. So when I first saw the sculptures, the first thing that came to my mind was an Oscar. So instantly I wanted to celebrate the NHS, and I had to think about really creative ways of doing that. And I wanted to represent all the diverse people who work for the NHS, especially the volunteers. And so that was exactly mine. It was a cloak of appreciation. It was that Oscar, that celebration, made up of loads of geometric shapes, which is a contrast to the kind of curvature of the androgynous sculpture. Well, it was a pivotal moment last year. I mean, we were all locked in, it was all relatable, everyone was clapping for the NHS as well. So as an artist, we're always thinking about how else we can support the NHS, whether that's through promotion, but obviously these are going to be auctioned off. So they're going to be raising really important funds for the NHS as well. I mean, as a born and bred Brummie, it's one of the best things ever. I'm very proud to produce this, but also people who I already know are already tweeting me and recognizing my work, and it's just a really, really great feeling. I hope, I mean, look, it's going to tour quite diverse cities, and some cities where diversity needs to increase. So I think I want the conversation to continue on how we can either use art to promote political / important issues, at the same time continue the conversation across the UK as well.